Welcome to the Oracle of Mask. Today I will show you how to make the Ozora Mask, so have fun.
The Ozora Festival in Hungary is an amazing event with a lot to offer for everybody. It's a music festival, but there are a lot of things to do, like visiting workshops from cooking food to massages or yoga in the morning. And there are also a lot of artists too. The people and the atmosphere there is full of love and a simple and outwardly experience. This made me rethink my project, and that's also why I changed the name to Oracle of Mask. I hope you to see there, and now on to the mask. Here you can see how I make the model for the mask with my self-made weapon form. And the design was inspired by the stick band from the Ozora. After cutting the mask out, I took a pencil and drew the design on it. Then I took the soldering iron tool and bent the design in it. It doesn't look bad, but it's something missing. So I took the cutter and cut it some more details on it. Oh, now it looks way more natural. Then with a brush and acrylic color, I started to fill it. Then I took some tape and covered the parts that I need to. And with a sponge and golden acrylic color, I pasted the color over it. Then I used a special white acrylic color and filled out the rest. And voila, already looking nice. But there's still a lot of little mistakes. And here is our end result. And then for finishing the mask, I went over with this acrylic varnish. And on the internet I ordered these little ornaments. And punched some holes to the mask. Then I inserted the nose ring in it. And voila! This is our Ozora mask. It didn't take me long, but it was really nice to make this. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Till the next time, Mask signing out.